Puerto Rico day 2. We going to the beach. Hungover. I had to stop at the store to get me some shades because the sun is beaming in front. I don't know which one. I think I'm going with these. They match the nails. These are so cute. I got mine. See how they match the nails? My hair look crazy right now. It's been wet, dried. Oh, child. Just needed to show y'all my man. Making his way downtown, walking fast. We just made it to the beach. Quick little walk. Like 2 minutes, no, like 5 minutes from my room, from my B&B. We gotta go rent our chairs from this guy. This is our setup right here. Had to put my bands on, guys, period, because antes de todo no hay que perder el glamour. By the looks of my wig, we had a day at the beach, honey. We're leaving the beach now. It was good. We had so much fun.